Here's Shreya. We're going to create a beautiful, soft blowout and enhance it with natural waves. Donna will demonstrate on one side and Shreya will repeat the process on the other side. On damp hair, apply a few pumps of Invisible Wear Volume Whip for a lightweight lift. Next, apply a small amount of Cloud Whip to control the texture of hair and leave the blowout with a soft velvet touch. Use the Express Ion Dry Plus and 413 sculpting brush to start by pre-drying in the fringe area with a flat wrap technique, moving the hair from side to side. Continue to flat wrap on the sides to remove excess moisture. Work through the rest of the blowout with the large Express Ion round brush. Use a truck and trailer method where the round brush and nozzle of the blow dryer are attached to smooth down the cuticle layer. Work up the head shape and use more elevation when you get to the top of the head for added volume. Now Shreya will repeat these steps on the other side. Apply Volume Whip and Cloud Whip for a lightweight volume and a soft control. Flat wrap the hair to remove the excess moisture. Round brush for added volume and polish on the blowout. Beautiful work. Now Donna will show Shreya how to create soft waves with a 1-inch thermal rod. Protect the hair from the thermal heat with a mist of hot off the press. Set the Express Ion Unclipped 1-inch rod to 380 degrees for Shreya's medium textured hair. Loosely ribbon the hair around the iron and leave about 1 inch of the ends out of the curl pattern. Set waves throughout the rest of the hair and add a little bit of movement and curl to the fringe. Shreya will complete the curls on the opposite side. Spray hot off the press to protect each strand from the thermal heat of the iron. Loosely wrap the hair around the iron to create a soft, natural wave. Once complete, break apart curls with fingertips and secure the look with Invisible Wear Undone Texture Hairspray to boost volume and keep a lightweight hold. And here's our soft blowout with natural waves on Shreya's hair.